1. Samsung Galaxy M30s. When it comes to smartphones, Samsung has always been a global leader, owing to the brand's feature-rich phones and premium design, with Samsung now focusing on budget and mid-range segments. The Samsung Galaxy M30s is one of the best mid-range smartphones available in the market. This made-in-India mobile phone is powered by the octa-core Samsung Exynos 9 processor, and boasts a 4GB RAM, while housing a triple rear camera setup with a 48MP shooter. The smartphone also packs a mammoth 6000 mAh battery, which lets you use the smartphone for hours without worrying about the phone running out of charge. Specifications: Samsung Galaxy M30's processor octa-core Samsung Exynos 9 RAM 4GB camera 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP rear, 16MP front display 6.4 inches battery 6000 mAh. 2. Samsung Galaxy M21. The Samsung Galaxy M21 is one of the best budget smartphones in the market, and is the latest offering from the Korean smartphone giant in its Galaxy M series. The Galaxy M21 smartphone is powered by the Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9611 chipset, and comes with a 4GB RAM. This Indian-made smartphone is ideal for those wanting a beefy battery pack with excellent rear and front cameras, as it houses a 6000 mAh battery, and packs a triple rear camera setup with a 48MP shooter, along with a 20MP front camera. Specifications: Samsung Galaxy M21 processor Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9611 RAM 4GB camera 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP rear, 20MP front display 6.4 inches battery 6000 mAh. 3. Redmi Note 8 Pro. Xiaomi has quickly become the go-to brand for Indian consumers, and is the undisputed leader when it comes to smartphone sales in the country. Redmi Note 8 Pro is yet another fantastic budget-friendly smartphone offered by the Chinese brand, which runs on the MediaTek Helio G90T SoC, and comes packed with impressive features and specs, such as the 6GB RAM, quad rear camera setup with a 64MP primary camera, and a long-lasting battery. Specifications: Redmi Note 8 Pro processor MediaTek Helio G90T RAM 6GB camera 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear, 20MP front display 6.53 inches battery 4500 mAh. 4. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Flaunting a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display, Redmi Note 8 runs on the Android v.9 Pie operating system, and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC. The smartphone comes equipped with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512GB via microSD card. Redmi Note 8 has been a hit with the consumers, owing to its pocket-friendly price along with its excellent features, such as quad rear camera setup with 48MP primary camera, and a 13MP front shooter. Specifications: Redmi Note 8 processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 RAM 4GB camera 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear 13MP front display 6.3 inches battery 4000 mAh 5. Motorola One Fusion Plus. Motorola's latest offering is the One Fusion Plus model, which seamlessly blends performance with functionality. This smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC and packs an impressive 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage capacity, which can be expanded up to 1TB via microSD card. Furthermore, this made-in-India phone flaunts a chic 6.5-inch HDR10 certified Total Vision Full HD Plus display, and packs high-end features, such as a pop-up selfie camera, stunning design, Google Assistant, and a quad rear camera setup. Specifications: Motorola One Fusion Plus processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G RAM 6GB camera 64MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP rear 16MP front display 6.5 inches battery 5000 mAh 6. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. When it comes to offering feature-rich phones at affordable prices, there is arguably no other brand that can beat Xiaomi. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max continues this tradition, as it comes with a 6GB RAM and sports a 6.67-inch display. However, the best feature of this smartphone is its cameras, as it flaunts a quad rear camera setup with a 6.4MP primary shooter, and houses an exquisite 3.2MP front camera, allowing you to take crystal clear selfies and record slow-motion videos. Specifications: Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G RAM 6GB camera 64MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP rear 3.2MP front display 6.67 inches battery 5020 mAh 7. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, sporting a 4.8MP AI quad camera array with night mode. Redmi Note 9 Pro can take stunning photos even in low-lit areas. The smartphone also flaunts a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC. This Indian-made smartphone houses a 5020 mAh battery under the hood, delivering up to 14 hours of gaming time, while the 18W fast charger ensures quick and efficient charging. Specifications: Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G RAM 4GB camera 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP rear 16MP front display 6.67 inches battery 5020 mAh 8. OnePlus 8 Pro. For high-end consumers, OnePlus has quickly become the preferred option, as the brand rolls out with its flagship model every year to cater to the premium segment. This year, OnePlus unveiled the OnePlus 8 series, with OnePlus 8 Pro being its latest flagship smartphone. The smartphone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, and boasts an 8GB RAM, providing a seamless, lag-free user experience. while flaunting a 6.78-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels. Specifications: OnePlus 8 Pro processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 RAM, 8GB camera, 48MP plus 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP rear, 16MP front display, 6.78 inches battery, 4510 mAh. 9. Realme X2. Realme entered the Indian smartphone market just 2 years ago, and has already become one of the most reliable and sought-after brands in the country. Realme X2 comes packed with top-of-the-line features and latest technology, such as the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, 4GB RAM and a quad rear camera setup with 64MP primary camera. The Made in India phone flaunts a Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, with a screen-to-body ratio of 84.07%. Specifications: Realme X2 processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G RAM, 4GB camera, 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear, 32MP front display, 6.4 inches battery, 4000 mAh. 10. Realme Narzo 10. Designed for the gaming enthusiasts, Realme Narzo 10 sports a 6.5-inch HD plus mini drop full-screen display, and features a classic, elegant design. The 18-watt quick charge feature ensures that the smartphone charges quickly, while the massive 5000 mAh battery provides a standby time of up to 39 days. Specifications: Realme Narzo 10 processor, MediaTek Helio G80 RAM, 4GB camera, 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear, 16MP front display, 6.5 inches battery, 5000 mAh.